Hi guys, welcome to Viola's channel. Today I'm gonna bake cheese brownies. You need flour with some milk and sugar, 5 teaspoons of water, melted butter, 100 grams, 1 egg, and cheese. So if you want to see the recipe, send the link in the description down below. First, you need to put some butter in the pan so the cake doesn't stick in the pan. You can get it out. So first, you need to put the water into the flour and the butter. And the egg. And now you need to mix it. So if you're done mixing, it should look like this. Yes. And ask your parents to do the cutting and the grating so you don't cut your finger. So let's mix it. Okay. So let's just put it here. Now we pour the cheese on top of the cake and brownies. Okay, so it should look like this. And we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven. And make sure it's 175 degrees and 35 minutes. So while waiting, I'm gonna play. I forgot about the cake. Oh, it's done. So good. I'm gonna cut this. Okay. This is yours. And this is yours. And I have lots.
Yummy.
That one.
It's so good. It's really good, right?
Yeah. Okay guys, that's it for the cooking video, and don't forget to
Like
and subscribe.
and hit the notifications down below.
Yeah, and don't forget to leave a comment. What should I bake next? And don't forget to subscribe our other channel, Boris and Viola Review and
And Sto review.
Bye-bye.